logbooks, I got records to keep. I got one on my dash, one under the seat. I got the chrome polished up and she's a looking good. Oh, 600 cat purring underneath the hood. I've been home too long, it's starting to show. When I get that itch, Lord, I'm ready to roll. When you see me coming, get out of my way. I got a hot load of freight, I can't be late. I'm gonna make my destination.
I hope you hear me. As you can see, it's quite icy, and for that reason we have studded tires. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like having nails mounted in the traction area of the tires. It's like spikes.
Done pulled 5 and one left to go. I'm the founding father of the left lane gang. Those slow pole drivers driving me insane. When you see me coming, get out of my way. I got a hot load of freight, I can't be late. I'm gonna make my destination come a rain or shine. In my suit up, signed up, get you there by sun of Peterbilt 379. Come and get out of my way. I got a hot load of freight, I can't be late. I'm gonna make my destination come a rain or shine. In my suit up, signed up, get you there by sun up Peterbilt 379. Suit up, signed up, get you there by sun up Peterbilt.